Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for tuning in today. In today's video, we're going to be making this very easy yam and stew recipe. Yam and fish stew recipe. No drama, just straight to the point and very easy, guys. Trust me. So for pepper mix, I'll be using my scotch bonnet, my long pepper, my tomato, and onions. Okay, so some of the peppers are frozen, that's why it looks that way. So yeah, like I said, long pepper, my tomato, my scotch bonnet, and my onions. So to make things easier and faster, I'm going to be blending the onions separately so that when I roughly blend the pepper, I'll be able to sieve out the water. I'm going to show you what I'm saying in a bit, just to reduce cooking time. So that's why the first thing I'll be doing right now, I'll blend the onions. After blending the onions, I'll be getting this puree paste. I'm going to set this aside, then I'm going to roughly blend my pepper. And guys, please don't forget to always deseed your peppers. Like, it is really important to deseed your pepper. So I'm just going to roughly blend that, and after blending that, I'm going to be sieving it like you're about to see now. I'll sieve it out just to reduce the cooking time. I'll pour it in the sieve. So like I said, just to reduce the cooking time. That way I won't have to be waiting for the water to get dry and all. So I believe everyone knows how to peel yam, but just for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to be showing you guys. And the yam is so nice. You guys, in the UK, if you buy yam and it is like this clean, guys, you don't know what God has done for you, because most of the time those yams, I don't even know how they store it, or maybe they just need to know how to store it. Like, you buy yam today and the next day is already bad, like if you don't peel it that same day and just put it in the freezer. So yeah, that's just one struggle. So after peeling my yam, I'll wash it and then I'll arrange it in my pot. So what I like to do, and I think everybody knows this as well, but just for the purpose of the video, I'll be saying what I like to do is the bigger chunks are going to be down, while the smaller chunks will be up. And then the water was too much, so I'm just going to reduce the water and just rearrange it again. That's just basically it. And then add my salt, put it on the fire to cook. So for the stew base, I'm going to be using this mackerel fish. Yes, I actually used 2 packs. Yeah, but I only have one of the, like, I only showed one of the pack on camera, but I used 2 pack. So one thing about this fish is that just like mackerel, like, yeah, even though it's the store-bought mackerel fish, but one thing about it is that it's always very salty, like very salty, guys. So but the taste is usually like the mackerel fish. So yeah, I'll be putting my palm oil in the pot. I'll be putting my palm oil in the pot. I'll cover it, I'll allow it get hot, and then open it. Put my vegetable oil. This is actually very optional. You can use just your palm oil or the vegetable oil, and you can as well mix it just like I'm doing now. So I'm just going to add my vegetable oil, also cover it, and then just bleach it till I'm satisfied with the consistency that I am seeing. So after, please, when you get to this point, please just reduce the fire and maybe just leave it covered. You guys can see what happened now. I put my blended onions, but because the oil is too hot, it was almost pouring out. Please, let's be safe and be careful. So just reduce the fire and cover it till it cools off. So I allowed the onions to fry for a while before putting my tomato paste. I'm also going to fry that like for few more minutes. Please take your time in frying tomato paste, because if you do not fry it very well, like to get the tangy taste out of it, when you put your pepper, it's just going to mess up the whole thing if it is not well fried. End of discussion. So after frying the tomato paste and I'm comfortable with what I have, I'll be putting the rough blended pepper. That's the water that I sieved out of the roughly blended pepper. So I just poured the pepper and I'm going to stir it and cover it to allow it to start cooking. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed, this is a good time to click on the subscribe button, the red button down. Please kindly click on it, like this video, it will mean a lot to me. So I stirred the pepper, cover it to allow it to continue cooking, and now I'm back to the yam. You guys, look at how white and beautiful that yam is. So yeah, it was already soft here, so I'm just going to be taking it off the heat before going back to the stew. Back to the stew, it's started cooking. You guys remember that we've not added our our seasoning, so I'm just going to be putting my no seasoning cube. Nothing serious. You guys remember that this is just really easy, and well, no, there's no drama, guys. Just simple mackerel fish stew that you can use to eat your yam, rice and everything. So I just added my seasoning cube and my thyme. You guys, I didn't put curry, nothing of such. That's just about it. And then I'll be adding salt. But before adding salt, you guys remember I said this mackerel fish is very salty. I think that it's the salt they use in preserving it. Even though I always rinse out anything I buy like this, but the salt is still always coming through. So I just put the mackerel fish now. I'm going to stir it, cover it, and come back to it. At this time I'm going to now taste it, so that I'm certain that the remaining salt in the mackerel fish would have come into the stew, and that way I'll be able to gauge the quantity of salt I'll be adding. So that's just what I am putting. I don't think it's even up to half spoon, that'll be perfect for the test. And that's just basically it. I'll cover it to simmer. You guys, for the people who don't like oil, even though I'm also going to sieve out this oil, but you just always need oil to fry your stew. If you don't have enough oil, you won't be able to fry the stew. Now that I'm done frying, I'm going to, in fact, this particular oil that I'm sieving out, I used it in cooking beans, so you can just scoop it out if you're not comfortable with it. So that's about it, guys. This is the end of the video. You guys, this tasted so nice, so nice, really nice. So it's just a quick go-to mackerel fish stew. You can use this stew to eat your rice, yam, spaghetti, just anything, guys. It's just quick and easy. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.